Hey everybody, welcome back to Rosie's Diecast. I wanted to show you guys, this is my first time buying one of these. So it's the Pop Race GTR Nismo 400R. I do like these castings. This is, I've heard good things about Pop Race, so I wanted to go ahead and pick one up and see what all the fuss was about. So let's open this guy up and see, because seen some friends of mine are picking some of these guys up. Some other people that I watch here on YouTube have been picking some up, and I've heard good things about these guys. So let me see what the fuss is about, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. I will say I do like the art on the box. I think it's packaged pretty well. I do like the way it comes. I thought that it would be silver just from the box, but I got a white one. So it is real tires. It's actually got mirrors on it. They're kind of rubbery. That way they don't break. Build quality feels pretty good. It's got really good details. It's a carbon fiber. You can see the details on the speakers. So 400R. Look at those wheels. Those wheels look really, really good. Got the door handle relief. I don't know if this engine pops up. Oh, it does. Oh, that motor looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get a little light there. Man, that looks really good. So detailed lights, license plate, engine bay. There's some of that interior. It's all die cast. It screws together instead of rivets together. I really like these. I think this is pretty good. I might be picking up more of this brand. Oh, I keep moving those mirrors around. All in all, I think this is an awesome piece. The detail is nice. It rolls pretty good. Let me know what you guys think about these. Do you guys collect this brand? Oh, the trunk opens too. That I did not realize. It's got Nismo R written on the wing, on the back of the wing. Let me know how many of you collect the Pop Race cars. Is it a brand you guys think are better than Hot Wheels? I love Hot Wheels. I've been collecting them forever, so I think I'll always collect them. But this is a pretty awesome casting here. I'll probably be picking up a few more of these. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and is this something maybe you guys want to see more of? I will head back and go get other castings of this. I think this is really nice. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please like and subscribe.